I guess this is as good as it's going to get this week. Sun is shining. It's about 45 degrees. Still a little colder than I want it to be, but I do have to wash the salt off of the truck here, get the spreader cleaned up. I'll probably go ahead and take the plow off of the truck, leave the spreader on. It looks like we have a chance maybe next week of some more mixed precipitation. So I'm going to go ahead, wash everything up, take the plow off, but as I said, leave the spreader on. I'll probably be pretty cold by the time I'm done, but just the nature of the beast. Well, okay, she's all washed up. Yeah, I've got all the salt off of it, cleaned up, ready for the next snowstorm. So I'll take the plow off now, and I guess I should take the spinner off of the back in my mud flap, just so my tag number can be seen in case I do anything illegal and they want to call it in. It really wasn't that bad out here. Wind's blowing a little bit, but not too bad. I didn't freeze to death. Had my rubber gloves on to protect myself from the corona. So it's all good. Oh boy, the guys are starting to get a little excited. One of them just sent a text message to me showing that we are under a winter storm watch. I think it is. Let me verify this. This is Friday evening, February. What is it? February 5th. Friday evening, February 5th, almost 4 o'clock. So this watch warning, what is it? Winter storm watch. This just came out about 45 minutes ago. Winter storm watch from Saturday night through Sunday afternoon. So this is going to, at this point, it looks similar to the storm we just got through this past Sunday, in that the forecast is calling for 5 inches of snow thereabouts. We had, I think, 3 officially here in this area, and actually we probably got the most in the lower part of the county versus the upper part of the county this past Sunday. So 5 inches of snow or thereabouts coming in here after midnight, I think. Saturday night into Sunday morning. Snow rain mix. We're right on that freezing line. And then by midday or thereabouts, sun is coming out or changing to rain, or who knows. Our area is probably one of the trickiest areas for forecasting snow, because we are always right on that rain snow line, that freezing line, and they never can quite pin it down until the last minute. So maybe I washed the truck and the spreader for nothing yesterday, but it still needed it. And then after that, after Sunday, Monday is sunny, 33 degrees for a high. Tuesday, a 40% chance of frozen mix. Wednesday, partly sunny, and then again on Thursday, a 30% chance of frozen mix. And then after that, holy crap, it's going to get cold. At this point, now this is a week away, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Highs only in the upper 20s, lows around 19 degrees. So we have not had temperatures that cold yet this year. Okay, I'm prepared. For this storm, if it does happen, I don't have to do anything because the tractors never went out last week, so they're already there. We didn't do anything to them. They're ready to go. The truck, I've got nothing to do to that. the blade is still good on the plow. It's all washed up, cleaned up, and ready to go. So I think my daughter is scheduled to work at the hardware store this weekend, so I may have to get Sexy Rooster to ride along with me instead of Farmer's Daughter. But otherwise, we'll see where it goes, so stay tuned. Well, good afternoon. It is, what time? Oh, yeah, it's, darn, 20 after 12. Where has the day gone? It's Saturday afternoon. I just needed to document evidence. Maybe I need to present this as evidence in my court case with the health department in our offering of curbside service and home delivery. So what you hear rattling around right now, I've got a kerosene heater that I just picked up from a customer of ours. Actually, she is a relative of mine, but she called the store this morning. She's got some problems with her kerosene heater. So we repair kerosene heaters. We put wicks in them. So I have gone to her house to pick this up, and I will take it to my repair person to get this done. I've also got 2 bags of bird seed that I am delivering to another customer that was asking for a delivery. So this is what we do. We've always done this. This is really nothing new for us. We just call. We're gonna take care of you. If you don't want to come into our store, we'll take care of you. Even before all of this virus stuff, if the older clientele called, if we had Miss Mary call because she couldn't get out or she doesn't drive and she needed some light bulbs, you know, I've taken them to their house and I've actually changed the light bulb. In a small community, that's what you do. You help each other. So, okay, there's my proof. Once I get these things taken care of with the hardware store, it's down to the farm. I've got a snowplow to put on, getting ready for this next snowstorm. But let me take care of this, then I'll give you an update on what's happening with this forecast in the snow. Oh man, it looks like we got something going on at the shop today. They're having a party, and I wasn't invited. You know, I may be old, but I still like a good party every now and then. Why aren't I invited?
What are you doing? What, inside?
All right, this was just pointed out to me. I don't even know how to explain that. We'll just sit back here and look at it a little bit here.
We're on a time/budget issue.
Yes, we are, but hey, it fulfills the need of the contract, so that's...
Hey, Donnie, what is profit?
Profit is making all you can make.
Income minus expenses.
Income minus expense, that's
So
right.
You either got to raise your income or lower your expenses to increase profit.
Yeah.
Well, I can't raise my income, I can't make it snow, but I can lower my expenses and use things I got laying around. And now I got to wax my truck, I got to scratch.
There we go. So, all right. We had, I won't say we. There was a little project going on here when I got to the shop. So apparently some bearings had gone bad here. He discovered that as he was getting ready for this next snowstorm. So he went to our local Massey Ferguson dealer. Since our John Deere dealer is no longer in business, he ended up going to the Massey Ferguson dealer, finding some bearings to go here, replace the bearings on either side. Had to replace the chain up here. That chain had rusted out. Actually, had to replace this one as well. Both of those were rusted out. But after a couple hours of working on it here, I think we've got it all back together. And it should be, this one should be ready to go. He has got a new drag chain ordered. In the last video you saw where the drag chain on this one had broken. So he's got a new one on order for that. Just hasn't got here yet. And what else? There was something else I think he'd ordered for, but so we've got that one ready to go, and strapping this one down, it's ready to go. Boo.
Danny.
Yes. What are you doing? You made that look difficult.
Down.
I have to come out too?
Okay, I didn't do what I came down to the farm to do, and that was to take the front end loader off of the John Deere tractor and put the snowplow on. I didn't realize Jeffrey's project was as involved as it was, so we got his spreader put back together. This forecast has changed since yesterday. I guess it's been downgraded a little bit. We've gone from a winter storm watch to a winter storm advisory, and so it just depends on which weatherman you listen to, or weatherwoman, on whether we're going to get all rain or mix of rain and snow, or all snow. But I think right now they're saying 2 to 4 inches starting sometime after midnight tonight, but then by I think 12 o'clock, this is a quick moving storm. It's supposed to be out of here. So I don't think at this point tractors are going out. Maybe pickup trucks to spread a little bit of salt. We'll see how that happens, but how that goes. But it's a coastal low. That's when we usually get our snow, is when the low pressure system forms off of the coast of Ocean City out in the Atlantic, and then it depends on how close that low pressure system is to the coast on how much, on whether we get snow or rain. And so if that low pressure system moves 30 to 50 miles one way or the other, it just changes our whole forecast. So that's part of the reason that it's difficult to predict the rain or snow. So right now it's what is it, 4:30, and it's 52 degrees. So it was a decent day today. We'll see. And the forecast for next week, the cold temperatures have been pushed back by one day. I think now it's supposed to be cold on Saturday, Sunday instead of Friday, Saturday. And they've thrown a few chances of freezing rain in there as well for a couple of days next week. Okay, time will tell. Maybe if we do go out and spread salt, we'll be back in time for the Super Bowl game tomorrow evening. Not that I'm a football fan and I could care less whether there is a Super Bowl or not. Hey, I think I may get this video uploaded in a timely fashion for you. We'll see how, if I can get right home and do the editing and get it uploaded for you today before the snowstorm. All right, until next time, see ya. See ya.